guys, this is the next full wrap we got this week in the garage. This thing is insane. It's a Hellcat Durango. As you can see, it's brand new, pretty much 1,500 miles, straight off the showroom, if you want to call it that. Yeah, so it's Destroyer Gray, I think this color is called. If I'm wrong, correct me, but pretty much we're taking off the stripes and we're making it into a color called Silver Bullet. He showed me a picture of the specific Durango color online. I guess it's called the Silver Bullet. I have no idea what the difference is between, you know, normal ones and that one. Probably a custom edition, one of whatever. But either way, these Hellcat Durangos I feel like are pretty rare. You don't really see them often. You see a lot more Trackhawks just because the Durango is a lot bigger. So we're in for a challenge this week. Obviously Durangos are a lot of work, man. Just you know how big it is, the roof, the amount of work it takes just to get door handles off, you know, stuff like that. You gotta just tear this car apart. The Durangos also have these flares, so those pop off and we'll take those off. As you can see, you know, like these areas, you can't really tuck that deep, you know, without taking it off. I mean, you can, but you got to play around it. Why would I play around it if they're just pop clips, you know? So we're just going to do what we can. We got to remove the stripes, number one, and start tearing this thing apart. I think I might give it another wash after I take the stripes off. We'll see. We got a lot of work to do today, so I'm just gonna get to it. Probably focus on just taking the stripes off and seeing at that point, should I give it a wash or not? Let's see how much residue they leave. They are brand new, so it shouldn't, but you never know. And then, yeah, so the color we're going with is actually right here. It's called Gloss Metallic Silver, so that is like the perfect match. It's got flakes in it too, so it's the perfect match for the Silver Bullet color that I saw pictures of. So these stripes gotta go. We're about to get to work, and I'll update you guys as I go, seeing how it goes. And yeah, I'm not gonna bore you guys with the disassembly because it will take hours and hours to get it torn apart, you know. So let's get to it. Durango Hellcat finally done, guys. This car looks amazing. It came out amazing. You might think it's basic because it's just silver metallic, and they probably come from the factory like this, but this is what he wanted. This is what I do. So I'll go over it real quick, but yeah, beautiful car. Brand new off the showroom floor pretty much. It has 1,500 miles, red interior, forged carbon. So this thing is spec'd out really nice. I love these cars. They're just really comfortable and smooth. But yeah, so base color was gray. It's like a Nardo gray kind of. I think they call it destroyer gray on these cars. It had stripes that I completely removed through front to back. So we started off with that. Those were installed from factory and they were pretty easy to remove. So he came to me with the idea that he wanted to do what's called a silver bullet. I guess they made these exact cars, the Hellcat Durangos, in this exact spec with the satin black hood, gloss black mirrors, and that's how they made them. I guess they made a limited run of them, so he kind of wanted to copycat that look, so that's exactly what we did. And the color is pretty much spot on to what the silver bullet paint looks like. So yeah, it came out amazing. I know he's going to be happy with it. The satin black hood is a nice touch on the front. As you can see, it has the cat hood, so it's cool. The new updated bumpers are pretty simple, not too hard, but yeah, these cars are massive. They're a lot of work. I say it in every video with the Durango. You know, windows got to come off just for door handles to come off. All the door panels, all the flares, all the pieces on the hood, the window, washer nozzles, these plastic trims. And, you know, the car is like, it's the easiest way to explain it is it's not just for example, it's not just the bumper. It's the bumper and the bottom piece. They're separate. You can't lay them together because you wouldn't have enough material to feed in. So it's like there's always an extra thing rather than just having one thing. Obviously, most cars, you're just doing the one piece. So it's it's not just the quarter panel. It's the flare piece too. So you also have to remove those so you get full coverage in there. I think I said I wasn't going to, but I did anyway. It's really simple. But yeah, all these trims get removed. The mirrors get removed. These flares, you know, everything. So roof is beautiful, fully done. Just the cat without the SRT and without the Durango on the other side. So it's really clean and simple. So it's kind of, you know, these Durangos, nobody expects that it could whoop some ass. So with the Hellcat motor in it, you know, it's crazy. It's definitely probably puts it down for sure because of the weight of the car. So it's probably really nice. Yeah, guys, Durango Hellcat fully done. Avery gloss silver metallic is the color. The hood is satin black by Avery as well, so all Avery. Came out amazing. It's a really nice material, and the color is awesome in the sun. The metallic flakes really pop out. Let me know what you guys think of the Hellcat Durango, brand new.